Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart on the 31st of March 2019. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And thank you to Chris for sending me an email saying good video series, short and sweet, and provides good insights to potential US dollar market movements. And as usual, what you see before you is a dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that if the dollar was able to go above this supply zone, it's likely to continue moving to the upside. So let's take a look at how the dollar played out last week. On Monday, the dollar moved down. On Tuesday, the dollar moved up into the supply zone. On Wednesday, the dollar moved further into the supply zone. And on Thursday, the dollar finally moved up and closed above the supply zone. And on Friday, the market moved up slightly more and closed the week over here. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this coming week? So long as the dollar is able to stay above this demand zone, it's most likely to continue moving to the upside. If on the other hand the dollar was to go below this demand zone and potentially below this area here, it may continue moving to the downside. So let's take a look at the larger time frames. If we take a look at the weekly chart, you can see that this move down put in a lower low, just. So this move up may put in a lower high. But we're now pointing up direction wise in a weak supply area, so the odds I think are slightly greater on this continuing to move to the upside, potentially above the supply zone. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, you can see that we did put in a higher low here and we're expecting to get a higher high. We do have direction up, but we do need to go above this pivot high over here. If we do, the dollar is most likely to go up to the 100 area. If on the other hand the dollar fails to do that, then we very well may go back down again. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to a free event happening tomorrow, Monday, April the 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, the Timing Research Show, where myself along with two other professional traders will be discussing the future movement of the S&P 500. I'm going to be moderating the event for the first time ever, and I urge you to sign up. You'll enjoy it. It's very entertaining. And what I'm going to do is leave a link below this video, whether you're watching on my YouTube channel or my blog, where you can sign up for this free event. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.